Hey everyone, welcome back to XVolt Tech. So about a month ago, I made a video on my HP laptop, and at the end I said this. And yes, I will be replacing the screen, but not in this video. That's gonna be coming sometime in early 2024. Well, now that I've got the screen, let's do the replacement. Alright, so here I've got the laptop, and the first thing to do is to disconnect the battery so that we don't accidentally ruin one of the components. Much easier to open that way. Alright, so the iFixit guide says to remove the battery, but I'm gonna do the smart thing and just disconnect it, because why the hell am I gonna remove the entire battery? Alright, now I'm going to reattach the bottom temporarily. For this next step, I'm gonna have to lay the laptop flat, so I'm gonna have to give myself some space. It says stick the suction cup right in the middle. Ow. And I've cut myself. Awesome. Alright, I believe the next step, it says to take off this tape here? Or is it this tape? Honestly, I'm surprised how easy it was to actually detach the screen. There we go. That's slid out. Yeah, I have to remove that little board. Which is weird because in the image, it doesn't show that. But on the new screen, it doesn't have this board that's here. So I'm assuming that I have to remove this off of the tape. There we go, that should be detached now. Yep. There goes the old screen. That's been cracked and destroyed. Put that off to the side. New display. All right. God damn it, why isn't it going in? Oh, there we go, it's in. We got it in, woo! Okay, I was kind of scared for a second. Right, connecting up the power cable now. Oh wait! Yeah, I just probably didn't snap it all the way, but look! There it is! There's something on the screen! Awesome. I don't actually know how to use GIMP, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But it works almost perfectly now. I am actually going to take the screen out a little bit again and try to correct this issue that I'm having here. Oh, I fucking broke it! Oh, God! Oh, I fucking broke it! My question is, why is it not going in that spot? Yeah, I think I found the issue. There was a piece of plastic stuck in the clip. Maybe I just broke my screen for fucking nothing. Well, that's a pretty big rip. Let's just plug the battery back in. Well, at least the screen looks a lot better than it used to, but of course, because I'm a massive idiot, now the touchscreen still doesn't work, so I did nothing but make it look prettier. I'm gonna have to figure this out, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna say it's a success because I replaced the screen with it without this, like, the internal screen breaking, so at least that still works. But I'm gonna get a new screen, and I'm gonna get the touchscreen working. Oh God, I'm so stupid. Goodbye.